Oh my god, look at it. भाई मेरा हो गया था and lunch is served. I'm hoping कि कल पेट का हाल सही रहे. Got the good. We were like, what the hell is happening? Grab a plate of momos because you're going to be hungry as fuck by the end of this video. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video and welcome back to another eating challenge. It is another 24-hour eating challenge. I did one before where I ate instant noodles for 24 hours, and today I am going to eat momos for freaking 24 hours, and I cannot be more excited about it. Now I love momos. Like I've told you in so many videos, I love momos. I can eat momos 24/7 all day, every day. Now a teeny tiny disclaimer before starting the video, guys. I'm not trying to promote, first of all, unhealthy eating. I do not eat like this. I eat pretty clean and healthy most of the day, so please don't worry about me. It's just for fun. Also, if like seeing videos like these or unhealthy eating triggers you in any way, please click out of this video. And yes, that's it. Now let's start. See how happy I am. So it's breakfast time. It's currently 11 o'clock, and I think this is the first time in my life that I'm eating momos for breakfast. I'm scared and excited at the same time, if that's even possible. Like I'm so excited to eat momos, but then breakfast with momos, my body is going to hate me today. Also, I don't know if I forgot to tell you, but it was very difficult to find momos at 10 o'clock in the morning. But there were literally just 2 places which were selling momos, so that was a very difficult part. So for breakfast, I've ordered these steamed paneer momos, and I've kept it very basic. It's pretty good. It's very subtle. ये थोड़े से ठंडे हो गए क्योंकि मैं काफी देर से बकवास कर रही हूँ. But then that's on me. And now I'll finish eating these momos. This is fun. This is maybe like one of the best videos I've ever done. And guys, share karna yaar, please. Like get your girls some views. Chutney is not that good, but momos are good. Like the filling is really good. और paneer momos are healthy, not healthy exactly, but then मैदे के अलावा बाकी सब तो healthy है. That is how I'm going to console myself throughout this day. And yes, I'll finish this and see you at lunchtime. Also, you usually see very aesthetic, organized side of me on social media, but let me show you the condition of my room right now. This is a hot mess. My brother actually is staying with me in my room for a few days because उसके room पे काम चल रहा है. There's some like paint work going on there and some renovation. So look at my room. Okay, so it's been half an hour since I've eaten my breakfast, and I want to make a confession. I am still very hungry. I just ate 4 momos because I want to do portion control since I'll be eating momos throughout the day. So I ate 4 momos, but मुझे अभी बहुत भूख लग रही है. Like my stomach literally is still growling. I mean, is there something wrong with me? Or well, 4 momos is very less for breakfast. Like it's a very less breakfast in general, and then I can't eat more, and I'll have to wait till lunch, and my stomach is growling, and I'm hungry. But yes, now I'll go and work. Bye. So it's lunchtime. It's almost 1 o'clock, and I can't wait any longer. So I've decided to make my lunch, and I'll be eating Prasuma momos. Now I have raved about these momos even in the videos in the past. I love them, and genuinely I love them so much कि आपको मुझे बाहर के रेस्टोरेंट या कहीं के मोमोज खाने का मन नहीं करता. I always feel like eating Prasuma momos, and I always have like a couple of packs of these momos in my refrigerator because well, I love them. Now I like to make them in different ways. Sometimes I pan fry them, sometimes I like to just steam it, or make like this noodle soup with momos in it, which is very good. But sadly I can't make it today since I have to just eat momos and I'm literally salivating right now and I'm so hungry. वो 4 momos से कुछ नहीं हुआ भाई. So these come in a bunch of different variants. They have vegetarian option, they have chicken option, pork option. I've even seen chili prawn momos or something from Prasuma. I've not tried it ever, so I don't know how it is. If you have, tell me in the comments. But I personally love their spicy chicken variant the most, and I always eat this only. So that's what we're gonna eat. Also, obviously, this is not a sponsored video by Prasuma, but I think that would be my dream collaboration, collaborating with Prasuma for a video. Like, just imagine that. Now for today, I think I'm going to pan fry these momos. So I need to take out my pan to pan fry it. You get it? Such a lame joke. And it's done. Oh my god, just look at these. And lunch is served. Let me give you a taste test. It's hot, but it's so freaking good. I love Prasuma momos. I think you should definitely give it a try if you haven't already. The only thing that I don't like about the momos, not momos actually, I don't like their chutney much. Doing a momo sauce, it's like not very spicy. It's a little bit tangy. So if you like subtle sauces, then I think you'll really like it. But overall, these momos are my favorite, and I think that's a huge statement. And I'm going to have 6 momos here. So good. Done. Now obviously I will show you my outfit because, well, we love fashion here. So this is my OOTD. I'm wearing these biker shorts from H&M. Obviously it's a very comfortable outfit. I'm wearing this oversized t-shirt that I got from Bonkers Corner, and if you remember, I recently did a video trying out different clothing pieces, like different t-shirts from Bonkers. So I will link it somewhere here and in the bottom bar. Make sure you check it out. And yes, for my jewelry, I'm wearing this this silver chain thingy, and then there's a claw clip which I'm obsessed with lately. Also, I am drinking shit ton of water today. I'm almost finished with this one bottle. This is for 1.8 liter, and then I'll try to drink one more of this. I am supposed to sit and edit, but I'm watching YouTube. So it's currently 5:09 and I'm thinking of ordering something now because I'm feeling a little hungry, and I'm ordering this from Crazy Kitchen. This is one of my favorite restaurants for like Chinese food in Haldwani. So I'm just scrolling down to momos, and I want to eat chicken chili momos. I love their chicken chili momos. So this is what I'm ordering. I don't think there are any promo codes available. Hello? Food is here. Thank you so much. Got the goods. So we've got some chutney, and यहाँ की chutney काफी tasty होती है. Like, let's just look at it. We've got some napkin, and finally momos. Let's see if I can do this with just one hand. Ooh, it's quite hot. Like, they're very hot. Ooh. Okay, I wasn't hungry before, but now I feel hungry. So this is basically momos stir fried in a gravy with some veggies, and I'm excited to have veggies for the first time. Oh, it is fogging. It is fogging. My camera is fogging. This hits different. You need to try these if you are from Haldwani. These are from Crazy Kitchen. It's their chicken chili momos, I think. And try this, man. Try this. So I have literally eaten half of this and I don't want to stop myself. I want to continue eating it because it's so good. I mean, I wasn't even that hungry और मुझे पूरा खाने का मन कर रहा है. But I know I should stop myself because dinner maybe I've planned to get some really amazing momos, like different kind of momos. So I'll just give this to my brother and he'll finish this. So yes, snacks were pretty good. Like they were, I think, the best meal so far. Hi guys, so it's currently 8:26. I don't know if you can see properly, and let me update you on what is happening. So basically almost an hour ago, like it's been more than an hour since मैंने हमारा dinner order कर दिया था, which was a bunch of different kind of momos from a restaurant here, and like half an hour ago we got our order and the delivery guy literally gave us this big 4 handis and we were like, what the hell is happening? We were in such confusion. हमने check किया तो every handi was filled with so much chicken and mutton, like there were some chicken dishes, and our order got delivered incorrectly. So we got someone else's order, we called the restaurant up, we asked them to like take this back and send our order. तो वो पूरा ऐसे confusion हुआ. Another guy came and he took the order back, but हमारा order अभी तक नहीं आया है. So it's like more than an hour और मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है. So I hope कि जल्दी से order आ जाए. So we finally got our order and it's 9 o'clock already, and this was very infuriating to say the least. But then the order is here and I hope it's worth the wait. So let me take everything out and I'll show you what all we got. We got a bunch of things here, like we got 4 different kind of momos. This is everything we ordered. It looks like such a good spread. These are chili corn momos, mutton momos, Afghani momos I think, and these are I think Kali Mirch chicken momos. So taste test time. I'm trying this restaurant first of all for the first time, and इतना दिमाग खराब हुआ है ना ये मोमोज आने में. Like it took more than 1.5 hours. उसके बीच में इतनी चीजें हुई हैं. So let me try the mutton momos first. It's decent. Not the best that I've had, but then not the worst either. Now I'll try these fried chili corn momos. These are veg, obviously. I mean, it's good actually. For a veg option, it's really good. Like a different veg option. Also, it's fried. And fried, so koi bhi cheez achhi hoti hai. So these are good. Next, I'll try these Afghani or tandoori momos. I don't even remember now. Okay. And finally, the Kali Mirch gravy chicken. इसके लिए मैं बहुत excited थी. This is good. The gravy is good. I've tried all the momos one by one. थोड़ा मैंने हर एक को try कर लिया है. Now I think I'll go and like finish this while sitting with my family because they're all having dinner. They say it'll always get I'm back. But I had no one to help me through. At the end, always a congratulations, but nowhere when I needed you. Call you a penny in the freezer 'cause you're two-faced. I'm almost done with the second bottle as well. I'm hoping कि कल पेट का हाल सही रहे. And I'm done with my dinner as you saw. So I was not able to finish all the momos. भाई मेरा हो गया था 6 momos. I was like, I am done. And I've had so much momos. And all in all, I think I've had like 7 or 8 different kind of momos today, which is like I think this is the first time in my life I ate so much and so many different kind of momos in a day. But I really enjoyed the challenge. Like I wouldn't lie, I loved doing this challenge. काफी मजा आया मुझे. So we'll end the challenge right here. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you want me to do more challenges, ना tell me in the comments. Now make sure that you like the video, comment करना, share करना, subscribe करना All those things really help with the growth of our channel, so please do that. And comment किए बिना तो बिल्कुल मत जाना. Let's do a question of the day. What is your favorite kind of momos? And yes, that's it. Make sure कि आप subscribe करना, share करना ये video with all your friends. Please ask them to subscribe as well. And now I'll go. Bye guys. I love you.